Good morning, students. This is in continuation with the chapter Exponents and Powers. Exercise 12.2. Express the following in standard form. Here the example is 0.000035. So this is the decimal one. This can be written as, see here we can count the decimal point after 6 digit. So this 35 as it is in the denominator we can write 1 followed by 6 zeros as a fraction. So this is equal to 35 in the numerator as it is. So 1 followed by 6 0 can be written as 10 raised to 6. Now 35 into this 10 raised to 6, it is in the denominator. When you take to the numerator, so sign changes. So 10 raised to plus 6, it becomes 35 into 10 raised to minus 6. 35 can be written as 3.5 into 10. So 10 can be written as 10 raised to 1 and into this 10 raised to minus 6 as it is. Now here you can see 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 6. We can use the laws of exponent. So bases are same and they are in the product form, therefore their exponents are added. So this is equal to 3.5 as it is into 10 raised to 1 plus of minus 6. So which is equal to 3.5 10 raised to 1 plus into minus, it becomes minus. So this is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to 1 minus 6, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 5. So this number we call or we say it is expressed in the standard form. So again continuation of 12.2. One more example is given, 405 followed by 4 zeros. So this can be written as 405. So 1 2 3 4 into 10 raised to 4. So here like in the previous example, 405 can be written as 4.05. So here the decimal point is placed after the 2 digits. So into we can write 100. So this is 10 raised to 4 as it is. 4.05 into 100 can be written as 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to 4 as it is. So again here the bases are same. So we can use the laws of exponent. So 4.05 into 10 raised to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So this is called, we can say 4.05 into 10 raised to 6 is expressed in the standard form. So here again you can see the a given decimal example 0.00000000000085. This is the decimal we can write as a fraction as 85 divided by, there are 13 digits. So this can be written as 1 followed by 13 zeros. So this can be written as 85 as it is divided by 10 raised to 13. Now if you take this 10 raised to 13 to the numerator, there will be change in the sign, so which is equal to 85 as it is into 10 raised to minus 13. So 85 can be written as 8.5 into 10, because there is a decimal place after one digit, so we can write 10. In the previous case, the decimal place was after two digits, we wrote 100. So again here the bases are same, we can use the laws of indices. So 8.5 as it is, 10 can be written as 10 raised to 1. So 10 raised to 1 minus 13, plus into minus, it is minus. So 8.5 10 raised to 1 minus 13, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 12. So this is again we expressed in the standard form. So one more same type of the example, you can count after how many digit the decimal place is. So this is equal to, the decimal place is after 11 digits. So this is 837 as it is divided by 1 followed by 11 zeros. So this can be written as again 837 10 raised to 11. Again if you take this 10 raised to 11 to the numerator, then this becomes 10 raised to minus 11. So 837 into 10 raised to minus 11. Here to write in the standard form, we have to leave one digit only. So after two places we can keep the decimal point, that is 8.37 into 100 and 10 raised to minus 11. This term will be as it is. So 10 raised to 100 raised can be written as 10 raised to 2. So here again we use the laws of indices, 10 raised to 2 minus 11. So this is equal to 8.37 into 10 raised to 2 minus 11, which is 9. So this is again we expressed the given number in the standard form. So one more example here. 3186 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 10 raised to 7. Here we have to leave the one digit, so we place the decimal point after 3 digits. So when you place the decimal point after 3 digits, so we write 1000, then this is 10 raised to 7 as it is. So 1000 can be written as 10 raised to 3. Here we can use the laws of indices. I have written directly here 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 7. So if you add these 3 plus 7, so which is equal to 10 raised to 10. So again we say this given number is expressed in the standard. Express the following in the usual form. So here 3.02 into 10 raised to minus 6, this can be written as, so 10 raised to minus 6 can be taken to the denominator, vice versa. In the previous case, if this is in the denominator, when you take to the numerator, there will be change in the sign. So this is in the numerator, it is 10 raised to minus 6. If you take it to the denominator, it becomes 10 raised to plus 6. So this can be written as 3.02 as it is. So 1 followed by 6 zeros. Now after we place the decimal point, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros are there already. After decimal point there is a one digit, so we increase, or we put, so 6 minus 1 5 zeros, then we put this is decimal point. So this is usual form. So this can be written same way, 3 as it is. So 10 raised to minus 8 you can bring to the denominator. So here 1 2 8 zeros are there, so already one digit is there. You can increase the 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is including 1. After 8 digit we can put the decimal point. So next example, 4.5 into 10 raised to 4. So 4.5 as it is, 10 raised to 4 can be written as 10,000. So this is, you multiply 4.5 into 1, so you will get 4.5. Then how many zeros? 4 zeros. So we put the decimal point after one digit. So here after one digit decimal place, so after decimal point there is 0, it means the number will remain same. This can be written as 45000. So one more example, 3.61492. This can be written as this as it is. Then 10 raised to 6 can be written as 1 followed by 6 zeros. If you multiply this into with 1, close the zeros, so you will get as it is, put the 6 zeros. Then the decimal place is 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 zeros you can put the decimal point. So this is equal to 3614920. This is, we write the numbers in the usual form. So with this, so the last exercise of exponents and powers gets over. So here some assignment, few examples based on this module. So with this chapter exponent and power completes. Okay, thank you.